Okay, for the final night of Tiff, the final night of premieres, it's the premiere of Jeremiah Terminator LeRoy. No, this is in no way related to the Arnold Schwarzenegger Terminator franchise. This, in fact, is about a young woman who basically goes off and pretends to be an inspiring author, writing many stories along her journey. This film stars Kristen Stewart, along with Laura from the first 3 films in the Jurassic Park franchise. Now, basically, compared to like the Twilight franchise, Kristen Stewart is like short to like look at in real life, alright? We had a lot of the stars, especially Kristen Stewart, walk along the red carpet, signing some autographs and like taking pics. Alright? Yeah. Now basically, Tiff had many big premieres this year, such as A Star is Born, with like Lady Gaga. Now, the fan base for that premiere basically filled up. Wow. So as you can see in the background, there's like some shouts. Alright? Yeah. You can basically see in the background the camera people taking pictures, basically, of each other on the red carpet there. So Jeremiah Terminator LeRoy is ending things off this year for TIFF 2018.